Hello everyone, my name is Manoj Kumar. I am here to present about the quality tools and techniques in AQP Level 2 Chapter 6. Uh, First one is change control. In recent years, more attention to the control of changes to both documentation and product development systems. Part of the increased interest could be due to both ISO 9001 related automotive quality management system requirements, the rigorous requirements from special industry groups, and the military requirements, the needs for the appropriate change control. Next, document control. The control of the document information highlights the following document control procedures. Information should be available and suitable for use. Information should be located where and when needed. The information should be adequately protected. The distribution, access, retrieval, and usage shall be controlled. There should be preservation for legality. Uh, there should be a version control. Document retention and disposition shall be addressed. The documented information should be protected from the alteration. Next, revision control. Keeping track of revisions and reassuring that their availability is one of the more challenging tasks of a quality system. This is not because it is difficult, it is challenging because it requires more attention to minor details. There are two types of principal methods in revision making: revision control by sections and revision control by total document. Revision control by sections. The revision of a long document are usually maintained by the sections. A single document may have number of sections at each different revision date. Revision section by section revision controls uh, requires furnishing only the changed sections. Revision control by total document is like different. Total document where revision control is frequently used for quality procedures and also for work instructions. This means a single change requirement generation and distribution of a total document. Next, configuration management. Joran described this as a collection of activities needed to define, identify, manage, record, and or approve the hardware and software characteristics of a product. Configuration management consists of four basic components: configuration identification, uh, configuration control, configuration accounting, and configuration audits. Software configuration management, a discipline for a managing the evolving of a computer products, both initial stage of developments through the maintenance and the final product retirement. For software code, baseline may include source code, execution codes, files that control the generation of executable source code, documentation, tools, and environment to support the code. Software security consists of the software attributes that bear on a ability to prevent unauthorized access, whether the accidental or deliberate, to the program and data. System or network security includes the following general categories such as account cracking or brute forcing, buffer overflow, denial of services, lack of operation control, and lack of process and procedures. Verification and validation. Validation is the assurance that the product or service meets its user requirements. Verification is the determination of a product or service's conformance to the original specification. Next, risk management tools are like FMECA, risk response, CTQ analysis, HACCP, and HAA. Risk assessment, it is the combination of probability of an event or failure and consequences of that event or failure to a system's operators, users, or its environment. The analysis of a risk or failure normally utilize at least two measures for failures. The measures are severity of the failure, the effect of the failure system, operation or mission. Next, the probability of failure, the likelihood of a failure occurring again. Risk assessment, the severity of a failure is generally defined by the hazard severity category from MIL-STD session 1629. Catastrophic, a failure that may cause death or emission loss. A critical failure that may cause a severe injury or a major system damage. Marginal failure that may cause minor injury or a degradation in performance, minor failure that does not cause injury or system damage, but it may result in a system failure and unscheduled maintenance. Uh, Critical to equality, CTQ tree is one technique that is the most useful in the problem definition stage is construction of a critical to quality tree. This tool focuses on the key metrics of a customer satisfaction. This CTQ tree will translate the initial customer requirements to numerical or quantif- quantified requirements. The development of a CTQ tree will go from general requirements to the specific from or a form hard to measure and easy to measure. Thank you.